माननीय सभासद, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, as you might be aware, more than 180 persons have reportedly lost their lives and several others were injured and many were displaced due to the torrential rains in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and other adjoining regions of the southern part of the country for the last more than 15 days. The natural calamity caused immense damage to houses, crops, and the infrastructure. The loss of so many innocent lives, injury to the people, and damage to the houses, crops, and infrastructure is indeed sad and unfortunate. The House joins me in expressing our heartfelt condolences and sympathy to the bereaved families and pray for the speedy recovery of the injured and rehabilitation of the displaced persons. Honorable members, the past few months have witnessed terrorist attacks in several countries, including France, Beirut in Lebanon, Turkey, Baghdad in Iraq, Nigeria, Bangkok in Thailand, between August to November 2015, causing loss of innocent lives. The terror attacks are an act of cowardice and an attack on liberal values, multiculturalism, and individual liberties, and deserve to be condemned in the strongest possible terms. The House joins me in unequivocally condemning the terrorist attacks perpetrated by the terrorist outfits. In another incident, 224 innocent lives were lost when a Russian plane crashed under tragic circumstances over Egypt on the 31st of October 2015. The loss of innocent lives in all these incidents is indeed tragic and unfortunate. The House joins me in expressing our heartfelt condolences and sympathies to the bereaved families and pray for the speedy recovery of the injured. The people of India stand in solidarity with the government and people of France, Turkey, Thailand, Nigeria, Iraq, and Russia in their hour of grief. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of those who lost their lives in these tragic incidents. Honorable members, the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, successfully launched AstroSat, a space observatory, on the 28th of September 2015 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh, taking India into the group of countries that have space telescopes to study celestial objects and processes. Two indigenously made communication satellites, GS-80-6 and GS-80-15, were also successfully launched on the 27th of August 2015 and the 11th of November 2015 respectively from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota and Kourou in French Guiana in South America. These launches have added another significant milestone in the development of Indian space technology. The credit for all these landmark achievements undoubtedly goes to our scientific community, particularly those working with ISRO. On behalf of the entire House and on my own behalf, I congratulate the scientists, engineers, and technicians who were associated with these projects and do hope that they will continue to scale greater heights and make the country proud of their achievements. I have to inform members that a letter has been received from Haji Abdus Salam stating that he is unable to attend the sittings of the House in the current session from 30th November to 14th December 2015 due to the marriage of his daughter. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 30th November to 14th of December of the current 237th session of the Rajya Sabha. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 30th November to 14th December? The permission to remain absent is granted. Papers to be laid on the table, the Secretary General.
I beg to lay on the table a statement in English and Hindi showing the bills passed by the Houses of Parliament during the 236th session of the Rajya Sabha and assented to by the President.
Now, Sri Narendra Singh Tomar.
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, आज की कार्यसूची में क्रमांक 1 पर मेरे सहयोगी श्री बंगारू दत्तात्रेय श्रम एवं रोजगार मंत्री के नाम पर उल्लिखित पत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Sri Dharmendra Pradhan.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in the today's revised list of business.
Sri Mr. Naqvi.
सर, मैं आपकी अनुमति से मैं अपने सहयोगी डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह की ओर से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची के क्रम 3 पर सूचीबद्ध कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
The Commissioner wishes to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 4 in the revised list of business for today.
Now, Sri Naqvi again.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name in serial number 5 in today's revised list of the business.
Sri Kiran Rijiju.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
Statement regarding ordinances. Sri Arun Jaitley.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a statement in English and Hindi explaining the circumstances which have necessitated immediate legislation by promulgation of the Negotiable Instruments Amendment, Second Ordinance 2015.
Sri David Sadananda Gowda.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House a statement, English and Hindi version, explaining the circumstances which has necessitated immediate legislation by promulgation of the Commercial Courts, Commercial Division and Commercial Appellate Division of High Courts Ordinance 2015.
Petition praying to develop real-time forecasting of flood so as to issue timely warning to the affected people. Secretary General.
I beg to report to the House the receipt of a petition signed by Professor Raj Kachru, a resident of Gurgaon, praying to develop real-time forecasting of floods so as to issue timely warning to the affected people.
Petition praying to evolve an efficient mechanism to check the exorbitant prices of cardiac stents and to other medical services in the country. Sri Avinash Rai Khanna.
Sir, I present in the House the petition signed by Mrs. Sugana Chattopadhyay, resident of New Delhi, praying to involve an efficient mechanism to check the price of cardiac stents and other medical devices in the country. Thank you, sir.
Reporter C. Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Dr. Kanwardeep Singh.
Sir, I beg to present the 224th, 225th, 226th, 227th, 228th and 229th reports in English and Hindi of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers. Sri Palvi Govindan Reddy.
Sir, I beg to lay the 4 action taken reports of the Committee on Chemicals, Fertilizers as listed against my name at serial number 1 in today's order paper. Thank you.
Report of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs. Dr. Karan Singh.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committees on External Affairs as mentioned against my name in the revised order paper.
Okay, I'll call you. Tiwari, sit down. He said first, let me listen to you.
मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर जो है
One second, wait.
हाँ मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर एमपी से रिलेटेड जो सैलरी वेतन भत्ता आदि पे एक कमेटी एमपीज के वेतन भत्ते की बनी दोनों हाउस की जॉइंट कमेटी। श्रीमन उस कमेटी ने एक रिपोर्ट दी कि एमपीज की तनख्वाह कितनी होना चाहिए, वेतन भत्ता और पेंशन एक्स एमपीज की कितनी होना चाहिए। मीडिया ने तमाम इस तरीके से
What is the point of order there?
श्रीमन एमपीज का कमेटी की बात है, कमेटी हाउस की है, जॉइंट कमेटी है, इस मारे मैं इसको ला रहा हूँ क्योंकि एमपीज का खुद का है और जॉइंट कमेटी है और मीडिया ने उसको इतना हाइक किया कि श्रीमन सरकार ने एक स्टेटमेंट दे दिया कि इसके ऊपर एक सुपर कमेटी हम बनाएंगे, जबकि श्रीमन पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी के ऊपर सुपर कमेटी हाउस बना सकता है, वो नहीं बना सकता। श्रीमन एक अभी पे कमीशन की रिपोर्ट आई जिसमें केंद्रीय कर्मचारियों की पेंशन की रिवाइज उन्होंने तनख्वाह के बारे में कहा और उसमें चीफ सेक्रेटरी कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी की 2.5 लाख रुपए उन्होंने कही और मिनिमम 18,000 रुपए कही। श्रीमन हम चाहते थे कि कोई मैकेनिज्म ऐसी होनी चाहिए क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं महंगाई से हम सब इफेक्टेड नहीं हैं, हमसे पारदर्शिता चाहिए। अगर हमारे आचरण को अच्छा देखना चाहते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं पारदर्शिता एमपी के साथ भी होना चाहिए क्योंकि हमारे भी क्षेत्र के लोग आते हैं, दूर दूर से आते हैं, हमको
No, okay, there is no point of order in
तो
that.
मैं चाहता हूँ
That is only a
मैं इसमें
statement.
चाहता हूँ श्रीमन कि एक ऐसी मैकेनिज्म बना दी जाए
That is only a statement, no point of order.
भत्ता तय हो उससे 1 रुपया ज्यादा एमपी का तय हो तो वो ज्यादा उचित होगा। इसमें मैं रूलिंग आपको
See, I have not allowed the point of order.
बाल काटने से लेकर के और पॉलिश करने तक के अलाउंसेस उसके अंदर लिखे हुए 169 तरह के सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज के प्रिविलेजेस हैं 169। मेरा निवेदन यह है 23% की बढ़ोतरी हुई है केंद्रीय कर्मचारियों की तनख्वाह में।
No, this cannot be a discussion, त्यागी जी।
सर मैं खत्म कर रहा हूँ अपनी बात जो नरेश जी ने कहा
this cannot be a discussion.
सर मैं उस कमेटी का मेंबर हूँ जो
ठीक है,
लोकसभा की
you can have a discussion on the proper motion.
पर कोई भी और कमेटी बनना ये सदन की अवमानना का मामला है। तो सर मैं आपसे ये चाहता हूँ कि आप ये स्पष्ट करें कि क्या राज्यसभा की या लोकसभा की जो कमेटी बनी हुई है उसके ऊपर भी कोई और कमेटी
No, see, त्यागी जी।
दूसरा ये सर हम अपने हाथ में सर आपसे संरक्षण चाहते हैं।
No, सुनिए, who is त्यागी जी? Let me ask you a question.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन समझिए क्या है?
Okay.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि राज्यसभा या लोकसभा के चेयरमैन के द्वारा जो गठित कमेटी हैं क्या उनको सुपरवाइज करने के लिए मॉनिटर करने के लिए कोई और भी कमेटी बन सकती है?
आप सुनिए,
ये रूल रेगुलेशन के खिलाफ है और ये चेयर की मर्यादा के खिलाफ है। वेरी गुड सर मेरे पास अखबार की कतरन है जिसमें केंद्र सरकार ने आई एम नॉट पॉइंटिंग आउट टू द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर जिसमें केंद्र सरकार ने एक ऐसा मैकेनिज्म बिल्डअप किया है कि जो सैलरी तनख्वाह वगैरह वगैरह को चेक करेगी, देखेगी, मॉनिटर करेगी। तो क्या ये अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल नहीं है? इज दिस नॉट ए डायरेक्ट इंसल्ट टू द चेयर या कोई इस तरह की जो कमेटियां बनती है उसमें कोई इस तरह का प्रोविजन है?
Now that's okay, I got it. See, no, 1 second, I will allow you. No, I will allow you. Bal Gopal, sit down, I am not allowing. Bal Gopal, you sit down, I am not allowing. I am not allowing. No, I am not. No, listen. Let me. Bal Gopal, I am not allowing you. I am not allowing you. I am not allowing you. Bal Gopal, I am not allowing you. I am not allowing you. You are talking without my permission. Yes.
Sir.
No, but I have to. 1 second. No, 1 second. See, Mr. Tyagi, Mr. Naresh ji, see, yesterday only we committed to the Constitution. Recommitted, I would say. Recommitted to the Constitution. And You see, who is telling you that there is a committee to supervise the parliamentary committee? There cannot be. It's all your news report. No, no, no. There cannot be such a committee. Parliament is supreme. Parliament is supreme. Sit down. There cannot be such a committee. It is only your... As a minister, you want to say? Yes. There cannot be such a committee. It is all your apprehension.
सर, ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ द हाउस कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट इश्यूज पर को उठाना चाहते हैं, उससे रिक्वेस्ट।
इसके बारे में?
Some other issues, some very important issues related to the house also.
Yes. No. Have you got?
Leader of the house.
No. See. Okay, Tiwari also. Just he raised the point of order. What is the subject?
मुझे सिर्फ ये कहना है
बोलो
कि बहुत से लोग उत्तर प्रदेश से
What's your point of order?
यस सर, देश के बहुत से कोने से लोग गए हुए हैं और चेन्नई में एयरपोर्ट पे वो स्ट्रैंडेड हैं। वहाँ उनकी हालत बहुत खराब है।
Today we are discussing it.
बंद है।
Today we are discussing it.
और सर, इस कमेटी
No.
इस कमेटी
No, today we are discussing it, Tiwari.
इस कमेटी के बारे में कहना चाहता हूँ।
You can
हमको त्यागी जी दोनों
Tiwari, you can give your name.
हमको सबको इन्फॉर्म किया गया है।
Today we are discussing that subject. No.
मैं आपको इन्फॉर्म कर रहा हूँ।
No, that's okay. Today you are sit down. Today we are discussing, then you give your name. You can participate in the discussion. Yes, Honorable Leader of the House.
Sir.
No, I call the Leader of the House. I have already called the Leader of the House. I have called the Leader of the House. I have called the Leader of the House. After that I will allow you. Yeah. We are all in support of you. With regard to Tamil Nadu, flood and rain, the whole house is with you. We are all in support of you. I am telling you. Yes, sit down. We are all supporting you. Today there is discussion. So, Honorable Leader of the House. Now there is discussion today. Yes. We will start at 3:30. Discussion. Yes. Yes, you can say, you can raise that also. You can raise that also. Yes.
Sir, the opening
No,
3
please.
days, sir, the opening 3 days of this session, we've had an excellent discussion on the 125th anniversary of Dr. Ambedkar and the Constitution. During this discussion on Monday, one of the honorable lady members from the Congress party had pointed out that even today, how caste-based discrimination is still in existence, and how she personally, even as a minister of the central government, faced this discrimination when she visited a temple in Gujarat. We wanted to know if she had objected in writing at her caste being inquired in these inquiries, and she didn't want to answer the question. I have now received intimation through some people that, let alone not complain, she had in writing said very complimentary words about the temple itself and her visit. And therefore I wish to place it before the House so that this impression that this kind of discrimination goes on and this incident that was mentioned, this impression doesn't continue in this country. Sir, the honourable member, Azad Sahab, sir, the honourable member, the honourable member,
she's present here.
if such a discrimination was faced, the honourable member, when visiting on 22nd of February 2013 wrote, with her own signatures and in her own hand, with Lord Krishna's blessings, and had a very good darshan. The upkeep and maintenance of the premises is excellent. May the land bless all and those who are fortunate enough to come here for this, for his blessings. Now, in writing, she compliments the temple, let alone complain against any kind of discrimination which took place here.
Yes.
May I know from the Honorable Leader of the House, through you, sir, that which Devasthanam is this? Pardon?
Dwarka.
Exactly. Dwarka? Is it Dwarka, sir?
No, not able to.
Sir, I made it very clear that day itself. It was not the main Dwarka I was talking about.
Yeah, she said it.
I said it.
No, she said it.
No, why are you? Please don't make rude gestures. Sir, leader of the house should not make rude gestures like this. I made it very clear that day that it was not the main Dwarka temple. In fact, I'll go beyond this. The main Dwarka temple, the priests were very good. I had very good darshan. They offered me tea also, and they required, because I was Minister for Culture that time, and they required some help about some sheds also. I came back and I spoke to ASI, and I asked them to cooperate in that matter. So please don't try to mislead the house. That day I made it very clear that it was the Bet Dwarka, not the main Dwarka. Please don't do this, leader of the house. It doesn't behove. If you're carrying it on like this one day after another, and I read, sir, I don't know if I'm allowed to quote, but I read in the papers today that somebody else has said about caste and all in one of the papers. Again, I would like to say that maybe people are not very clear about caste and gotra. I am. Many times at the time of offering prayers, the priests, the pujaris ask you about your gotra, because they say it when they offer prayers, not the caste. I am talking about the caste. But sir, I would say that the leader of the house and others should show some grace and not carry on like this in such an undignified and totally lacking in grace. It doesn't behove, sir. It just does not behove. Kindly do not carry on like this. Please do not carry on like this. मेरी आपसे हाथ जोड़कर अपील है कि इस तरह से इस हाउस की गरिमा को ना गिराएं। सर, अब एक और मंत्री खड़े हो गए हैं। सर, एक और मंत्री खड़े हो गए हैं। कितने मंत्री जवाब देंगे इस बात को? इनको प्रॉब्लम क्या है? इनकी आपत्ति क्या है? इनको क्या आपत्ति है कि मैंने बोला या वहां पर हुआ या गुजरात में हुआ? आपत्ति क्या है? मुझे मालूम तो पड़े सर। सर, मुझे मालूम तो पड़े। इनको आपत्ति क्या है? Sir,
rather than having a dignified debate, she's let us not discuss anymore.
No need of further discussion on that. All of you take your seat. No need of no discussion on that. No need of further. No, it is clarified. Both sides said. No need of further discussion on that. Why do you want to discuss it? There is nothing to discuss. Raja, keep quiet.
Sir, it has been 3 days.
All right, Shelja, you said, you made your point, now you sit. Shelja, what you wanted to say, you said, now you sit. Now Shelja will take your seat. Shelja Bhatia, I allowed you to say and you said it. Don't continue to heckle. You said what you want, you sit down.
Manufactured problems and manufactured discrimination.
Don't say all this. No, please.
She has clearly tried to allude to this.
You go back.
सर देखिए ये
अब सच्चाई अगर उनको स्वीकार नहीं है, सच्चाई वो सुनना नहीं चाह रहे हैं और उन्होंने इस अगर सदन को भ्रमित किया है, मिसलेड किया है, तो आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा। आपने ये लिख करके नहीं है, ये आपकी हैंड राइटिंग नहीं है, और अगर आपकी ये हैंड राइटिंग है तो आपको माफी मांगना चाहिए।
House adjourned for 10 minutes. House is adjourned for 10 minutes.